Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did a quick eye summer look and I hope you like it. I used my phone to record this look, so please bear with me. Please remember to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and enjoy. Okay, so we're gonna make this side look like this side, and this is more like a sunset makeup good summer look, and I'll be using the Jaclyn Hill palette to do this. And so this primer is a bit oily, so I have to like dab on there so it doesn't break. Then I'm gonna be going in with a burnt orange, more like a red, closer to red than it is right here. I'm gonna place that in my crease. I'm gonna get orange and I'm gonna be using the Morphe 35, or what's it called, 35B. Yeah, the Morphe 35B. I'm gonna be grabbing this orange right here. This I'm gonna be placing right on top of the red. And next I'm going with this yellow from the Jaclyn Hill palette, just this one right here. I'm gonna be using an angled brush for this. I'm just gonna dab on my brow bone there. And I'm gonna bring it all the way to the front. Then going back with my first color, that's the red color. I'm gonna go back in here and just darken it, just that spot. Don't go too far up because we don't want it. We want the orange to show still. Do what I did before. Good. Then we're gonna get a concealer, or you can use a concealer, or you can use a concealer, or you can use eye primer, but I'm gonna use this concealer, so I'm gonna be using the Sephora concealer. This is a lighter shade than my shade right now, and we're just gonna create that cut crease. So I would say this is for a beginner. This might be the difficult stage, but it gets better. I'm not perfect at my crease course. Cut crease. I said crease cross. My cut crease, but I feel like the more you do it, the better you get, or the better you become at doing it. And right now the mirror is so far from me, but I think I'm okay with what I have. So I'm taking my eyeshadow brush and I'm gonna be using this shade right here. It's gold. I'm gonna be placing that on my lid. So I like to pull down a little bit so that I can get it all in the line, because I have the concealer on. I want to press it on so we don't have a lot of fallout. Then I work my way up. Yeah, the mirror is so far from me, but I'm gonna bring it closer so that, okay, we got that. Then I'm gonna go with this brush right here, and I'm gonna be taking more with like a precision brush like that. And I'm gonna be taking the orange shade I'm going to be taking, with this brush, I'm going to be taking an orange shade on the Morphe palette here. I'm just going to do this out here just to join that line. I'll be taking this shade right here. Right here. It's a brown shade. And I will just put it right there. More like just brush it lightly, not too much. Just like that. So make it look like that. We're gonna take a black shade. So from the Jaclyn Hill palette still, I'm gonna be using the black shade eyeshadow there. So this I'm gonna bring like that. This I sweep in a little bit. And I buff. I don't want to go too far because I don't want it to be. And go back with just a brush from the orange shade and do that. So I'm gonna use this brush and take a little bit of red, brick red, put it here. So we're gonna get a black eyeliner, whichever your choice is. I'll be using the NYX eye ink liner, and I'm just gonna draw really close to the lash line there. I'm trying my phone, so I'm using my phone to do this video, and want to see how it comes out. Okay, now I'm just gonna dust this so I can remove any fallout. Right on my lower lash. So going back with this brush with the dark shade on, don't add more, just the brush with just the left over, and do that. Going with my black eyeliner, I put that in the waterline. Right there on the waterline. I like to put mascara on my lashes there just because of the fallout of the eyeshadow, and I don't like to put it before I put my lashes on. The eye so far. It's easy summer look. Yep.